Oh crap, I'm walking on someone else's grass. Well, I gotta lock the door because my purse is still in there. Gotta get out of the sun. Oh, look at my neck rolls. Cute little kids. Oh, buddy. There you go. Okay, door, ring it.
Their first meeting. Lucian's just yawning. He's in 3 months. What about Asher? Look at, they look so different. I thought they looked the same, but up close they look different.
So that was their first meeting. That was cute. Now, oh crap, I'm still walking on someone's grass. I gotta get the stuff out of my car. All right. So, this is when you need octopus on it. Cause, all right. Should I bring this? I don't know. Should I? Reality is screwed sometimes. Like, I still gotta go back for the waters. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna set this here because I don't want to go in and out, in and out. Green, green, go. We just got these for them the other day. They cost 15 bucks, which made Henry blow a gasket for some reason, but makes them drink so much water. Seriously, they should do advertising for these people because we love them. Callie's bottle, my water. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bring this. Okay. That should be everything for now. Suburban lifestyle, folks. So my pile of junk that took ages to pack up at my house and looked so very small at a friend's house. Double check because I'm paranoid. Look at you. Hey Asher, whoa, he's rolling his eyes. Hey.
Hi, babies. I love you.
Callie, show me your toy. Ooh. What's that face? Well, a long time ago, that's a reusable bag. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. You having fun? Mom life. Peace is called in the bathroom, just so you can go potty. Sitting on the toilet becomes a mom's best friend. Hi, buddy. Shake hands. Aw. Oh no. Oh no. Whoa. What do you think, Iris? You like your baby brother?
Yeah.
You don't like what? The vacuum? Are the two babies sleeping? No, they're meeting each other's. Hi. Hi, buddy. Oh, they faced each other's and then turned away. Fighting, girls. Don't fight. And I remember those are her toys. What is this? Oh. Aww, you like the little boy? Callie, what are you doing? Hi, little boys. Look at his little sockies. Look at his little bare feet. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. Good, 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 good. Keeping warm. Haha. Perfect for today. Aw, you guys. 4 days apart. so different when you zoom in. Be gentle, Callie.
It's free.
Brotherhood. Hear the vacuum? Hey, don't make another mess. Megan's trying to clean. That is so cool. I look over and I see just feet kicking. That means they're excited, right? You guys like each other's, huh? Friends for life. There he goes. He smiled when I said that, and you did too. Aww. Allie, do you like the kitty?
This is a kitty.
Yeah. No, hey, no crying. No crying. Here, you girls talk to the boys. Talk to them so they stop crying. Say hi, brothers.
Hi, Daddy.
What do you call your brother, Iris? Yeah? What do you call him? Careful, Callie. Woo. Oh, bud.
Crazy girl. Come home. Come back. She wants to show them that she can do it again.
Callie, are you cuddling? Aww, brother.
Who's she?
She's a Barbie.
Just Barbie. You're Barbie.
What do you think of her?
No. She has big legs like you do.
She has bigger legs like I do. Bottoms up. Oh, hi, kitty kitty. My writing is literally the worst on that.
Where's the switching?
I don't know.
Hey, look at the.
That cat has had it. Yeah, those are. You put them on the wrong feet, so they're gonna be hard to get off. Ready? Rah. Rah. This one and then this one, it's easier. Just take them off.
Oh, please, I'm running. Over.
What are they doing? What are the zoomies? Yeah, I don't know what he's up to. Guys, that's the wrong pitch. I don't like it. Oh, Callie, cute. They're saying that because I tell them to get off the couch all the time. What are you doing in there? Excuse you. And he's crying. I'm so screwed. He doesn't sleep without his rock. Food's coming, okay, Callie Q? That's cool. That's funny.
She said I could dye my hair any color red.
I would like to dye my hair red, but like a natural red. I've done it before, but Henry hates anything that's not my natural color.
Yeah, I want to dye my hair blonde, like every inch of my hair.
Every inch? Like platinum blonde? That would be cool. All out.
Like white blonde.
Yeah, that would be hot mom summer.
And then, like, when I get tired of it,
Purple?
like a pale purple.
Okay, yeah. I like the almost like gray white, like Khalees in Game of Thrones. I like that.
Oh, I love her hair.
Yeah, me too. But it's a wig, sadly. Is that my baby or yours? Okay. That's the one thing I forgot.
Except for you, Iris. You're not even your parent. What are you doing?
Girls, look at me.
That's a dog.
Are you going swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we're gonna go swimming.
So we dressed the kids in order to swim with them, and then we realized that it was so late and it was about to thunderstorm 90% for the next 2 hours, so that went out the window. How lovely is that? So now I gotta reload the entire car by myself and all 3 kids. And then Henry's coming home early and I didn't make supper and I didn't clean anything. Thunderstorms are coming. See how hot and humid it is? Okay, you guys walk to the car and then I gotta load you all in the car. This kid slept the whole time we were there because they had a rocker that actually rocks itself. Okay, come on guys, let's go. Over here, walk towards the car. Your seat is on that side. Let's do this all over again. Okay? Arm. Go. Bottle clean. Help out. Where's your arm? Can you hand me your arm? Charlie. Help! Where's your arm? Oh,
That was a fun time.
that was a fun time.
Oh, I think I don't know how.
You don't know how it. Oh crap, where's the bottle? Alright.
I didn't know how.
Hey buddy,
Mommy.
your turn. I'll get you your waters in a minute. All good? Here, I'll get your water. One sec. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Successful, but now kids didn't nap. And Lucian needs fed again. Gotta change his butt. Driving. The thunderstorm's gonna hit probably when I'm unloading the kids in the car. Also, I gotta figure out, I always forget how to get home from here. Ending doom on you. In the lightning. We the thunder. We the light. Here comes the rain. Who told you that?
Daddy did.
Those trees blowing in the wind. Oh, look. Home before the rain hit, except for, you know, Ontario Life, waiting for the bridge to go up. So now I have to carry, what? Yeah, the rain is hitting us. Nice, it's, you heard what she said. Anyways, oh, it's coming down. Holla. stuck in the car in a thunderstorm. I gotta carry Lucian in like that. Crap. I waited too long to leave. Everything was delayed, lunch and all that stuff, so now, like, oh, I have to carry all these kids in the rain. This literally couldn't get any better. This couldn't get any better for a vlog. Seriously, for a mom's first time out. Like, I'm gonna be running in and out of the rain to carry them in. The same routine you've seen getting. I can't go! Like, the bridge is up. We're stuck here right now. Are you getting wet? She has a dent in her door. Yeah, we are. We can't. I can't see. You can barely see the bridge anymore. This is like torrential downpour. Holy. Literally, like, guys, we're 5 minutes from home. We just gotta wait for the bridge to go up. But do you see that? Like, I can barely see the bridge anymore. It's okay, guys. Boats, they go under the bridge. When the bridge goes down, look, it's going through right now. The rain, you can see it. See the white boat going straight through? As soon as that boat goes through, you can't see it because my wipers. Boat goes through, we can go home. What a day to go out with kids. I didn't know they were scared of rain. We can't go yet, Naya. Naya, we can't go though. We're stuck. All the other cars are in front of us. They're waiting too. We're all stuck in the rain. Like, we left in the middle of a thunderstorm. I don't know why. I don't know how that happened. Holy, the rain over there. It was supposed to rain all day, but then it didn't. So then we thought we were safe. But now this downpour happened in the middle of us driving home. We're 5 minutes from home. As soon as that bridge goes down, as soon as the boat passes, we can get through. We'll go home. I'll figure out how to unload you guys all in the rain by myself. I have to bring Lucian in first, cover him with my body, and then I'll come back for you guys. I'm going to leave all the other junk in the car because it's not important. Because God is peeing on us. Yeah, apparently he has a big bladder.
The big guy.
Yeah, so big dogs have big bladders. Hurry it up, hurry it up. Okay, while there's a break in the rain, I would really love for the bridge to go down so I can get through and carry these kids in. What?
This is a bad day.
A little rainstorm makes it a bad day? I thought you had fun. You didn't want to leave Megan and Iris's. It's a good thing you didn't go swimming because you're going to get wet going inside either way. Cleared! It cleared! We can see the bridge again. Hallelujah! It's not done. We're almost home. The bridge is going to go down. The boat went through. I can turn my wipers off. We can get home while there's a break, and then we can get Lucian in. Look at all that rain. Hallelujah. Peace. The bridge is going down. Bye-bye, bridge. Bye-bye. There it goes. What a trauma. Holy. Hey, we made it. Did we, Naya? Did we make it?
Yeah.
Survive the other side of the rainstorm? I guess God quit peeing, right?
Yeah.
His bladder's empty now. Already took Lucian in. Naya, you go ahead. You can head in here. Callie, let's unbuckle you. Were you? Look at you were raining tears back here, weren't you? Thunderstorms. I love thunderstorms.
I don't think thunderstorms.
Aww. It was a stressful day for all of us, right?
There was no. There was fun.
It wasn't fun. Oh, I'm sorry.
It was fun, Mom.
You like playing with Iris though, right? Come. Climb out to me, Calico. Good girl. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Hey, rain is good for something. All the puddles you love to play in, they have to come from rain.